Muno mulikito purani nyakunde ha soroboti uruo. Abaroki bonsi abo barorekanete bakurwania abarimu ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyabisase yegotoke bunge ya Ubasi county ya Kisii nigo ase kurwani mwalimu aso kwamiriri mwalimu moneno moya ase batebiruna nigo batabete bakomwanja nigo bano barachi kwimukirwa Getembe Television Network kukwana nchinkikije mugaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migosi Ogamba igateru n'ibikoro nebyo tibirigochi kwenekirwa haigeme yenso muri kituruth kemuto arobotirwa senchira yobwikira Watekana nengusanano iyabetege koenekirwa ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyabisase yogotoka imeye bunge ya Ubasi county ya Kisii asaborokiwa babeta bagusambe skuru yo chitariki isano nemo umutienyo yoiga nigo engusanane ntindi yabetege koenekirwa gati ya borokiwa amona borokia be skuru yo asibalenge kwemurunganiria umorokyo monene uyobetega koletwa skuru yo magega yo morokia oyole ngororo kolitaya David Ogega Asege Getembe nige skuru yunya betege tigesegi haseba bete bagwikirana ase nyumba y'oburaro no mwelyoye bakayetongia Litukulia lero nigo muwaziri w'ekisemi omusike Julius Migosi Ogamba abereka weso kinagoteba buna niga borokiwabo barachikimukirwa ebitambukire bitindi by'elichiko kubatikana n'engusanano eyabetege koenekirwa.
This time we need to go deeper and find out what is the real cause, the root cause of these challenges so that we can resolve them, because we do not want a situation where schools we have indiscipline, we have the students touching their dormitories, but action will be taken against those students.
Nigo baigo habaraikurwa ase serikali batebire bune serikali nigegendrete kubwatirana asogokini birango bya masomo aiga sense ya Kenya na igotelibuya aborokiwa kuruchinsemo kugendera koleta asalenene wetera asogotonge chiskuru.
And what Safaricom and M-Pesa Foundation are helping us to do is to equip our students, so that a student in Mokurueni, a student in Kasipul Kabondo, a student in Wajia, you know, a student in St. Mary's School in Nairobi feel Kenyans.
Boigo ababwatani bande nigo babere bagoteba buna borokiwa kuruchiskuru chonsi aiga imense ya Kenya nigo bagendrete kwenyorera amasomo yekerero.
It's not just upgrading the infrastructure, but also ensuring that our learners from early childhood to junior school, they are already interacting with digital facilities. The whole idea is to prepare them and to equip them into the world that is digital.
Ruth Kemunto, Getembe.